how to clean up your C drive on your Windows device. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in this video I'll tell you exactly how you can clean up your C drive on your Windows device. Although I am using a Windows 11 device, you can use your Windows 10 and you can do the same things. Well, there are multiple steps in order to clean up your C drive. The first of those steps is actually to hit your Windows key, and now go ahead and type run and press enter. Select this application, and now what you want to do is type in the box temp. Now go ahead and press run. This file will open up. Now what you want to do here is you want to press Ctrl A to select them all, and now you want to delete them. When this box appears, go ahead and skip every application. Once that is done, what you want to do is close this file and search for run again, and go ahead and open it up. Now in the chat box you want to type %temp %. Another window opens up. Go ahead and press Ctrl A and go ahead and delete them all. Now what you want to do is go ahead and open run again. And over here type prefetch. Now press enter. This window will open up. What you want to do is press Ctrl A and now right click and delete. The next thing you want to do is you actually want to empty your recycle bin. So go ahead and search for recycle bin, open up recycle bin, and now what you want to do is you want to press Ctrl A and you want to permanently delete all these files. Once that is done, what you want to do is close your recycle bin and go down to File Explorer. Open a File Explorer. Now click on this PC on your left, right click on your C drive and click on Properties. Now click on the Tool tab. You want to select on Advanced Options, and on every drive it tells you whether it needs optimization or not. Press on the one that needs optimization, and now go ahead and click on Optimize. Now next what you want to do is go ahead and press on your Windows key and search for Installed Apps. This window will pop up. This displays you all your applications that you have. You can go ahead and delete applications that you don't want. Now next what you want to do is you want to go back to File Explorer. From here tap on this PC. Now right click on your C drive and click on Properties. In the General tab you will see the box Details. Go ahead and click on it. This will actually show you all the files that take up your storage. Now go ahead and click on Other and you can start deleting files that you don't want. You can also go back to your installed applications or other files that may be taking up a lot of your storage. And boom, you have successfully cleaned up your C drive. If this video helps you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified when we upload next. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.